It is easier said than done, but inshallah, those who have lived this world, they will get place in Jannah, inshallah, by the grace of God. And may Allah protect you. We are come from Pakistan, so offer my condolences on behalf of the people of Pakistan and the government of Pakistan, and we are here as your brothers, at your service, inshallah.
Diyor ki Allah'ın izniyle kayıplarımız sizin cennetteler şu anda.
İnşallah.
Ve biz Pakistan halkı için buradayız. Ve sizin emrinizdeyiz. Size destek olmak için geldik kardeşlerimiz.
Yine bu şeyhin annesi yok. Bana onu mabuk kırmızı elbise giyer.
He says that, and she says that I sacrifice myself. Workers, Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ask him. It was another level. What did you feel?
Hissettim. Göçük altındayken nasıl hissettin? Neler hissettin?
Çok soğuk, korktum biraz.
It was very cold and I was really afraid.
Öleceğimi hissettim.
And I felt like I was going to. But thanks to God and thanks to your team, rescue team, they saved me.
And what about your mother, father, and your brothers? Father,
His family died. One member of his family died. He is only one survivor of his family. And as I told you earlier, sir, there is a language barrier. But when we reached here, we decided that Kalmai Taiba. Yes, sir. He replied with that Kalmai Taiba, La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. He replied, La ilaha illallah, because we are having one.
सिस्टर जो थी यहाँ पर इंजर्ड नहीं थी वो बची।
Allah will protect you, inshallah. Those who have left this world, inshallah, grant them, inshallah, place in Jannah. And may Allah protect you forever, inshallah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.